Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another portable power station from Bluetti. This is the AC70 portable power station. This is the box it comes with. Let's go ahead and get it out of this box so I can show you exactly what's inside. So this model, we're going to review it, do a quick load test, and show you what I think about it. Alright guys, once you open up your box, you'll find this box and your manual. You got your manual. Go ahead and read through that, understand everything you need to know about this portable power station. Then you have this box. Let's open it up. Inside that box you'll find a small plastic bag. It has a little screw inside of it. Open it up. That's your grounding screw. Goes in the side. Keep track of that. You have your XT60 solar. So you'll be able to charge using solar with this cable. And you have your car charger. Same XT60. You'll be able to charge your portable power station using this from a car. So this would be your 12-volt car charger. And my favorite part, no brick. It's just this charging cable for AC. And you can charge it, and you'll also be able to do UPS. The best feature, it has this UPS. I'll go over that when I show you the charging capabilities. Alright guys, this is what your AC70 looks like. Let's do a quick spin around. Remember that screw I showed you? It goes right here. This is for your grounding. Over here, you have your AC charging. 850 watts charging, so you'll be able to quick charge this thing. 0 to 80 in less than 45 minutes. Nothing on the back. And on the other side you have your vents. Keep this thing nice and cool. Have this nice handle on top so you can carry it around like this. So on the top left, pop this open. This is your XT60. You could charge this using solar. 500 watts of solar in right here. DC charging, so you have DC or PV. You get 500 watts of DC input in here. Right below that, you have your 12-volt output. You can get 10 amps out of this. You got your DC power, main power, AC power. This will turn on your 2 AC output, grounded AC output. You have 4 USB, 2 C's, 2 A. The C's, you get 100 watts out of them, and the A, you get 12 watts out of them. Let's turn this on. Love the display. Look at this super bright display. You can't miss this thing even though you're camping outside or inside. If you're using it inside or outside, it shouldn't matter. This display is super bright. You have your DC input, DC output, AC input, and AC output all displayed at the same time. Battery meter right there, and the 70% eco mode. It tells you how much time you have left, everything you need to know. Another thing I like about this, if your display is on, you could just tap this and turn the display off. Tap it again, your display comes on. Once you turn your AC on right there, you'll see the AC sign comes on. DC, you'll see the DC sign come on right there. So really cool stuff. Shows you how much time you have left. So you see right here, it says 35.8 hours. Love that. Okay, so all your info is right on here, guys. Real simple. Bluetti does it best when it comes to just keeping it nice, super bright displays, and simple. All right, no confusion when it comes to trying to see what you're using, whether it's your input, output on DC, input, output on AC. A lot of questions people have is, can you charge this and use it at the same time? Can you charge it on solar, or can you charge it on AC and use it at the same time? Yes, this thing has UPS. So if you're charging it with AC and you have like your refrigerator plugged in, it will do a pass-through. Once you lose power, it will take over on the battery. So it does do that. See right here, it timed out, so that's a battery saving feature. You want your display, you just tap that again. Turn the DC off. To turn it off, you just hold it, and that should power it off. All right, guys, let's do a quick load test on this. Let's see if we can get the 1000 watts out of the inverter. All right, guys, so we're gonna test this thing. Lithium iron phosphate battery, 768 watt hour or 24 amp hour battery inside. 22.5 pounds, 1000 watt inverter as AC output. When it comes to charging, I told you 500 watts of solar, or on the side right here where you have your AC, you can do 850 watts of power coming in, AC coming in. Let's do the UPS feature first. I'll plug it into the wall and see if we can use the AC at the same time. For that, we're going to use this plug. Come over here to the side, plug your AC in. Let's just plug that into the wall. Okay, so once you plug it into the wall, you see your AC input lights up. Guys, you can connect this thing to your phone using the app, the Bluetti app. As you can see right here, it shows up that it's getting power from the grid. You can turn on your AC, you can turn on your DC, you can do everything from this phone. Come over here, charging mode. You can go to standard. You can go to, let's go back to the charging modes. You have standard, silent, or turbo. I'm on standard mode right now. You could do the auto sleep. Right now it's 1 minute. Let's change this to 5 minutes, so the screen doesn't go off all the time on us. You can do your firmware update, which I suggest you do as soon as you get your unit. Go to the app, upgrade it. Your display, you can change that. I mean, it shows you everything you need to know in the app. So if you're not hooked up to the app, you can do that. Almost full charge already. Once it's fully charged, I'll hook a load up to it so I can show you how it still uses the load from the grid and not the battery. Alright guys, so I got my Variac. This is going to allow me to put some load on this unit. Let's plug it into the AC. Once we plug into the AC, I'll turn on my AC. So now I'll see what I'm pulling in here, right here, and what I'm using. Let's just put a small load on it so I can show you guys what I mean. So I'm pulling right around 200 watts, right? You can see the AC is actually fluctuating with that. See, as I'm pulling from the grid, the AC input is going up. So I'm still charging. It allows me to charge while I'm powering a load. If I take that load off, the AC input will go down also. So if you have this connected to your refrigerator in a, you know a storm's coming, plug this to your refrigerator, it's gonna run off your grid. It's gonna save your battery, charge your battery. Once that power goes away, boom, you have power. So your food or whatever you using will not go bad. You know, I had a customer told me that they use this on their fish tank because he has a very expensive aquarium. He does not want his pets to die, so he plugs one of these when he knows he's gonna lose power. As soon as that power goes off, his aquarium still is being taken care of. So that's a pretty cool way to use it for your food and your aquarium or anything else you don't want to lose power. So I can see it's maintaining the charge, it's maintaining the power, everything from the grid. Alright guys, so I'm going to connect some load to this thing, and I want to show you that you can charge it with solar. I have a DC output right here. I'm going to plug the XT60 right here. Alright, so we're getting some wattage from DC input, so this is a solar charger. putting in right about 125 watts, 136. So AC coming in, solar, so you can charge on AC and solar at the same time. And we're gonna turn on the DC load, so you'll see your DC load coming out right here. You can pull up to 10 amps out of this thing. So the last thing I want to show you guys, I showed you the AC. You can charge on solar while you're charging on AC. You could do both at the same time. You could use your DC load, everything at the same time. I want to see if this thing can support 1,000 watt. So let's start pulling some power from it. And that's coming from right here. So no more AC coming in. This is strictly off the battery. We have 1,000 watts of lights right here. That's going to be our load. Let's get to 1,059. So it will support the load, but let's see what the voltage look like while it's doing it. So let's step that off. Let's turn that off. Okay, now we have a monitor on here. Okay, voltage is on. Okay guys, you can see this thing is putting out great voltage, 119 volts. So now we can monitor the voltage. Let's get that 1,000 watt back on here. Get this on so we can see our wattage and the voltage. That's what I want to monitor now. Let's get some load. Back to that 1,000. I need to see what that voltage does if it drops. 118, perfect. 1,000. So even at 1,000, you're still getting that pure sine wave, 118 volts. Perfect. There you have it. So the AC70 by Bluetti will support its 1,000 watts. $1,200. $1,315. Still at a 118. You see that voltage right here? 1,400. Still at 118. So you get all the way up to 1,500 watts before it shut off, overloaded, but the voltage never dropped. All right, and that is perfect. That is perfect. No voltage drop. Just push that button once, push it again, and it will reset. 119 volts. I think this is the best I've seen at voltage, holding the voltage. Okay guys, the last thing I want to show you is that it does have a pure sine wave, and the DC output, look at that, 13.5 regulated DC output. So you should get the full DC output all the way down. Doesn't matter what state of charge the battery is at, you're gonna get that 13.5 on the output and a pure sine wave. All right guys, there you have it. Bluetti AC70 really holds its voltage, really supports the load. 1,000 watts inverter pulling up to 1,500 and no voltage drop. You can't ask for anything more. Guys, I want to thank you for watching this quick video, quick review, load testing and reviewing the Bluetti AC70. If you're looking for something that weighs only 22.5 pounds, you can carry around, go camping, and puts out the power with UPS, especially if you're looking for something you just want to back up your refrigerator or a little cooler for a day or so. Guys, this will do it for you. The Bluetti AC70, 768 watt hour, 1,000 watts. Thanks for watching this quick video, quick unboxing and review. Check it out. I'll have the link down in the description for you so you can buy one of these so you have a backup plan. Remember guys, it's never too early to start having a backup plan. Once that emergency comes, then it's too late. Get you something, keep your family safe. Don't wait till it's too late. Guys, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.